Three spiritual principles I keep in mind even for business. One, don't grow alone. Make sure that other people are growing with you. Make sure that other people are also earning from your business. When you grow alone, there is only jealousy and envy that people feel for you. But when you grow with other people, they pray for you to grow and keep growing. The second principle, don't hoard money. Make sure that you can use this money to make the lives of other people around you much easier, much more flowing. Money is a restless energy. It's not going to stay in any case. The more it goes, the more it'll come back to you. And the third principle, be nice to the people on your way up in success, because you may meet the same people when you're on your way down. And we all go up and we all go down. If you can keep your humility intact, and if you can keep bowing to the universe and stay in gratitude, your business